Hello, good and wonderful people. Welcome back again. It's your girl AB World Entertainment. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Depends on the time you guys are watching me from. How is everyone doing? I hope you all are doing great. You all are welcome back again, my country people. We still did the matter of our dad Jesus and Rita Edochie, the public figure, the celebrity, the Nigeria top actress in Nigeria. This is the wife to Pete Edochie younger brother. So now the matter we still there. So you get some video where they trend for social media for some days now where Rita Edochie, the wife of Tony Edochie, they go viral about and that Jesus. So Rita Edochie happens to be the goddaughter to Odumeje the prophet. All of una know who be Odumeje the Indaboski, the liquid metal. Na him be Odumeje the prophet. So he come to say Ada Jesus offend am, and this Ada Jesus wey we dey talk about na Ada Jesus happens to be the sick person wey e dey down with sickness for how many days. So now the matter now with the try now know say na every new week na different things dey come out for social media. So the one wey e dey we never finish and another one dey jump up and down. So social media don turn another something for inside Naija. So we get video wey trend for social media na about Ada Jesus wey e take insult Rita Edochie, the Nollywood actress. So now the matter I want to talk about. So Rita Edochie happens to come outside come talk say when they carry Ada Jesus go their church, the church wey Odumeje for they do prophet or wait for the do pastor. So they come carry this girl come there and I go show una the picture. So as they carry the girl come there, Rita Edochie come talk say he no go fit forgive Ada Jesus because of wetin Ada Jesus do to am. Ada Jesus na comedian, he no be a titled, no be na titled, no be just name. Na she be comedian. So he say she offend them because of wetin Ada Jesus talk. If no go forgive am, say the girl go turn RIP. Face to face, my people who never see am. I don first do video about Ada Jesus as she go beg for the church, and I come still do video for when another prophet come still come outside come still dey talk to Pastor Dumeje say Pastor Dumeje no suppose to behave like that, suppose to talk say he no go fit forget Ada Jesus, he no go fit pray for am make the sickness comot, but we no know whether na dem cause the sickness or not, you understand. But because of wetin dem dey talk come out for mouth come vex a lot of people. Social media come people come react for social media say this kind thing wey dey happen so e no good, you understand. Person offend you, you need to let go, forgive the person no matter what. We know say she really offend you. So people come dey talk say e no good as a mother, as a public figure, she no suppose to talk that thing come outside, you understand. So na her career she wan use lose, so her fans and every person wey dey follow her, so she go lose am. So a lot of people come react, dey quarrel with Ada Jesus for wetin Ada Jesus do. But as far as say person don already dey sick, you understand, so in dey between life and RIP. So you suppose to just look and say me I let this person be, you understand, because Papa God talk say no dey interest for the life of that he no come for righteous people, he come for the sinners, you understand. So Ada have sinned and she has still asked for forgiveness. You supposed to forgive her. So a lot of people come dey call her, come dey blast her and say she not do am well, you understand. Say make dem no dey condemn her pastor wey dem dey call Prophet Odumeje the Indaboski. So na so the matter take happen. So for the past few days now, even not be only her Ada Jesus offend, e also offend one man, one native doctor. So the native doctor, the video still dey social media when the native doctor come still forgive Ada Jesus, see give her money 150k to take go and still pray for her, the sickness no still comot, make still go elsewhere. So e come still dey beg Odumeje and Rita Edochie make dem forgive am. But Rita Edochie and Odumeje come talk say over their dead body we dem forgive that kind person because of wetin she don do to them. Una know say person no fit talk say over my dead body, because na only God na fit na he get that kind thing. That na wetin God dey talk, no be that in the sense say you no fit talk say over your dead body, because God fit forgive that Jesus. You go come sin because person don already sin against you, but you no gree forgive. So na people come dey talk, come dey attack her, say all those things e no good, you wey dey do this, you wey dey do that. So as I dey tell una, so this morning I surprised to see video when she do say she don already forgive Ada Jesus for inside her house. People come still react say why you no just talk am at that very moment. They know say e dey very very hard, but you and Odumeje supposed to just instantly tell the girl say make she dey go. E dey very very hard, but that one no still stop una. So Ada Jesus lie against you, no stop make people hate you, e no stop make people stop to dey follow Odumeje. You understand? A lot of Igbo people dey follow, and they still dey talk say make they dey support their own. A lot of other people, other pastors now from Yoruba, from other tribe, there are people still dey support them. They no throw away them. So let's support our own. I don't read many comments like that, my people. You understand? So many people come talk to the Rita Edochie. This is Rita Edochie speaking. I will leave the video, make una watch her very soon. So they come tell and say, una guys, many people still they watch you now, many people still they follow now. You understand? Now only people will believe, now you will believe. You understand? Even people will do your church self, not be all of them will follow you in eternity. Because of why? Because now few people will follow you. Now few people will follow you. You understand? You say it's not how well, it's how not how far, it's how well. You understand? So not the quantity we define, na quality we define. So that Jesus condemn you, not condemn you. Not me say make people who no one like you, not like you. As they condemn Rita Daniel Rich, people still they follow her. People still like her. You understand? They don't know say all this blogger want just. Then they find money, you understand? But I don't use them to encourage any blogger say make they go to Shukman where they're not supposed to Shukman. This one will still serve as a lesson to a lot of people, to a lot of bloggers, a lot of social media, even for grants, for real life. You understand? This one at television stage for real life. This one will still start to a lot of people say make them know how to they talk. Not be everybody you will talk to. You understand? Not be everybody they forgive person. You understand? Imagine people still talk. This woman not forgive, the pastor not forgive. She was still telling the pastor, I love you. When a dying person is on the ground, he was saying, Odumeje, I love you. I love you. You understand? So she not care, but she only care about Odumeje because I know say that thing hurt her. Normally we they offend each other, you understand? So then make us be human beings. So now so the matter is so after all the talky she don't hear for social media, a lot of people don't attack and say you will be my mom pikin, you're not supposed to do this one, you're not supposed to, you understand? So now she can't come out when she can't reach house, come to say she don't already let bygone be bygone. She don't release her that from her heart, that she not get her for mind again, so she don't set them free. Now another set of people say no, you don't fit talk am for your house. Now where the get dey, just like some people say you swear for person. So if you want this return the cost, you need to return where people dey. You understand? You know 1,001 people wey dey there, they no go fit complete that. They not make them they talk say no let person swear for you, all those kind of things. You understand? So she come there her house, come they say she forgive Ada Jesus, but people come attack and say no, not be so. She no fit talk say she forgive Ada Jesus for inside her house. My people, how now want this matter may e be that is as she talk say she don't forgive Ada Jesus, but other people still they talk and say she never forgive because she's supposed to say it at that very moment. Say like nah, she come dey offend God. You understand? So my people, make una leave una comment for comment section. If na she dey offend God now, or na Ada Jesus na offend God. I know so that Jesus offend God by condemning, you understand? Because the Bible say thou shalt not judge, so that you will not be judged. But as Rita Edochie come outside, the prophet not forgive you, but Rita come outside to come say him forgive Ada Jesus, whether she do am well or she not quick come outside. You understand? So I bet una still leave on our opinion and on our point for the comment section. I beg my people, so make una still leave una own comment, una own view, or una own point for the comment section. Whether wetin she do, e do am well, whether she quick forgive Ada Jesus or e too late to forgive Ada Jesus. I beg make una just still leave am for the comment section. You understand? This forgiving na one thing. Bible talk and say forgive and forget, but with the word say we will forgive, we will not forget. The mark still there. So make we know. I may not live on opinion or on point for there or na answer for there, say whether she quick come outside or she not quick come outside, what she do as a mother is not good, because you don't know where your pikin wan waka reach tomorrow, you understand. So just still leave your own opinion for there or your own a point for there, you understand. And this one will still serve a lesson to a lot of people. Not be money not the cost, not the and as I want to talk, not let money carry you go extra mile or go another place, you understand. Because this money of a thing, they say so me we mind how we take the talk, who they talk to, you understand, because we don't know who be who. Now first now you for they know, you understand. You're surprised say not be even these people, even who care at that Jesus for grant for there, you understand. Another person or a family person, you never can tell, you understand. Or maybe as she offend her husband that time when they consider the fight for social media, different things. But she just dey beg dey go, she no know where she for bath, where she for leave her towel, you understand. She just dey find the towel dey go. So if at that Jesus have offended you, please make use this opportunity because of her state condition, take forgive am. Abeg, we consider beg una, so say make una abeg, make una you have mercy on her because of God, you understand. And because Papa God talk say we all are sinners, you understand. We have come short of the glory of God. If we talk say we never sin against God. So my people, make I leave the matter for here. We will see for another video where I will do we know to take. So I beg, if today happens to be the first time where you come across this video or you feel you watch, you never subscribe, let me use this opportunity to watch, subscribe, and also on the notification bell. So anytime I take upload like this, you will be the first way they go buy my video. Go give. By doing so, God bless you. My new subscriber, you all are welcome. Happy new week. And my returning subscriber, thank you for always coming back to come and check on my video. God bless you, and I so much appreciate you. You all are blessed. May God protect and guide all of you that is watching and commenting, my subscriber that is sharing my video as well. May God protect us and hide us under his canopy in the mighty name of Jesus. Amen. Make I put the video of Rita Edochie when she take forgive other Jesus. Thank you everyone, and thank you
great people in the world.
Edochie. God bless you, ma, for forgiving her.
I am happy you've all seen the lies that Jesus lied and heaped on me. I am happy I've been vindicated. A lot of people called me from every part of the world asking me to forgive her because I said I will not forgive her. I am here to tell all of you that I've forgiven Ada Jesus. Onye a na-akpọ m ebe, onye a na-akpọ m ebe, onye a na-akpọ m ebe, agbayala Ada. From my heart of hearts, Ada Jesus, I've forgiven you. But I want to sound a note of warning. Onye kele ikwu okwu nya donu nwa arụ ani na-ekwu. Unu akpọlizi na men of God. It's not for you. It's for God. Omuna dibia bia n'iru be kita wele ife togbo efi aru na amai kale na atu egwu igbafue. Man of God well Bible bia debe n'iru be gi efi a ina aba. Who kept this? Bible. Anye need right na no so nwanyi ogu. Stop insulting men of God, particularly my man of God, Prophet Chukwuemeka Ohanemere Odumejeje. Welu ni asolo no monso. O de mmanya ka mwa ji we nonye na ebe ono. Bali debe no maka na me esi Odumeje. Aka di onye mo weli afilisi. I am comfortable staying with him. Chebe de makenodo, leave us alone. Ada Jesus, Abayalugomi. From my heart of heart, like I said, Abayalugomi. My fans, wherever you are, the whole people in the world, Bikun, Abayalugomi, Ada Jesus. Thank you for intervening. I thank all of you for intervening. I thank all of you that called to ask me to forgive her. I have forgiven her. Thank you so much. Thank you.